Hey, what's up, Polygon holders? So this is the latest update of Polygon. What's the update of Polygon? What's the news of Polygon, my brother? And exactly, let's predicate this coin to an upcoming pumpkin huge jump is really soon. Yes, absolutely, my friends. I see this on a website, my friend, of Polygon to a huge jump as soon. You need to hold. But let's see. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just give you, my brother, advice, and absolutely, I give you update. Let's start this brand video. Kindly, before I get started the video, you just subscribe this channel. Make sure to subscribe, absolutely press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to the YouTube channel. The last 1 hour update is on the screen. This chart is completely going to show you, my brother, today fails down, but definitely you can see here after a fails they take a jump. You can see here they take a short jump. You can see here, focus this, the green line is again starting moving upward. So definitely after a fail, after this chart, my friend, I'm going to show you the last 1 day chart. And absolutely, my friends, you understand to Polygon is really wake up again now, and they can, there is a chance they take a huge jump. Absolutely, my brothers, you understand. So let's see. Kindly like this video. Thank you so much, my brother, for like this video. All right, so you can see, my brothers, after a jump they falls down, after a fails they take a jump. Every graphic currency is moving up like that, every graphic currency is moving like that. So it's mean, well, you can see here that at the end you can see here they falls down. Absolutely, after a fails they take a jump. After a fails they take a jump, they take a very huge jump. So it's mean to the good jump as soon, the huge jump as soon, my brother. And make sure my brother, to, you can see here this time the price is 2.4 USD dollar, but the current price is, you can see here, 2.05 USD dollar. It's mean to the price will starting increasing now. You can see here this time, sorry, 2.05. you can see here the price is very badly decreased now in last 24 hours. It's mean, brothers, to minus 4.95%. they fell down. The price is in the lost, the price is in the loss. So my brother, you need to hold. If you hold at through the end of this month, exactly at the end of month, every cryptocurrencies wake up and they completely go in the moon. So you need to hold and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching. Hold up, please like this video and subscribe this channel.